Now, I know this sounds a bit rare for me to be drawing like this. However, I will make this one an exception. For those of you who have noticed, I am already at my art desk. Basically, this is the exact place where I do my master design projects. And I've been saving it for the best ones. These are for the best pieces that I draw up. And basically, I don't usually draw dinosaurs on here. However, I am proud to add these to my... I am proud to draw these on the art desk itself. And I've been saving this one for quite some time. I hardly ever got any chance to draw any dinosaurs for reasons that I needed to work on the big pieces since I'm going to you-know-where. But I've got plenty of time. I'm already in college by now. And I don't know when I'm gonna work on my series again. But I have a family to look after first. I have a dog, I have friends to see, I got places to discover, and I've still got giant pieces to work on. And, well, I don't really have to worry about my series for 2024 anyway. I'll be working on the page for the months that are known as March, and, well, basically that's it. I don't have time for anything else. Anyway, the dinosaur that we're working on tonight is known as Scolosaurus. Scolosaurus is known to be an ankylosaur, and for notorious reasons, I've gotten to have seen it on Jurassic World. Well, I saw it on one of the video games, and basically I've been taking a liking to this dinosaur, because it was one of my first ones. Well, I don't exactly have the one for Nintendo Switch, but I'll get to that at another time. Scolosaurus has been known to be an ankylosaur like Edmontonia, Cychania, Tarkia, the original Ankylosaurus. There's also the, there's also Polacanthus. You remember that one, don't you? Good times. I drew that one. There we are. There we go. Now we'll just draw this part here. Here are the toes. Okay, then. If any of those who are watching this, those who are fans of dinosaurs, especially Trevor Lickey, well, one of my idols, I hope he's watching this too. No one can do Thumb Wrestling Federation voices better than he can. But to be honest, not everything lasts forever, you know. I don't know when we're gonna hear Trevor Lickey's Thumb Wrestling Federation voices again. But maybe we will. One day. Just so that you won't have to suffer burnout. I've heard about his job. I heard it sucked. Serious fraud going on. I know what that is like. I've gone through his pain. But I'll discuss that at a later time. I don't really like talking about my personal life. But I'll get to that soon. Anyway, that is how you draw a Scolosaurus. I feel like I've seen this at the American Museum of Natural History. Ooh, that should be a good idea to add to the American Museum of Natural History. I've always wanted to see him. This dinosaur there. That'd be a very interesting addition to their collection. Would you guys think that's a good idea? If so, be sure to let me know. Oh, and be sure to place a comment on what dinosaur you want me to draw next. And also place a comment on what do you think about this dinosaur. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. I've got like 1,000 dinosaurs to work on here. I'm gonna be busy working on the biggest pieces these dinos have to offer. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Good night.